Oh my gosh, dude, it looks so freaking mean now. What's going on, guys? For anyone new, this is my wife's brand new 2021 Toyota 4Runner Limited, and she is currently out of state visiting her brother's family for their 1-year-old's first birthday. And so I got the 4Runner for a week to have some fun in it, make some good 4Runner content. And if you're new here, we got some Chevy trucks, and thankfully Toyota and Chevy have the same bolt pattern. So it only makes sense that we stuff some 22x12s and 33s on this thing and see how it looks. Probably not going to turn, but it is definitely going to look awesome. And for science, we must do this. So currently we are rocking some like negative poke. It's way inside the fenders, and with some 22x12s, it's going to be sitting wide and it's going to be looking good. Probably not going to turn, but I know I want to see what this looks like. If you clicked on this video, you probably do as well. So let's go ahead and pull this thing inside. Start putting some 22x12 and 33s on this stock brand new 4Runner. So it does have the same bolt pattern, but the thread pattern is different. Chevy ones are larger. That just slides straight on. So hopefully somewhere around here I've got some lug nuts that'll fit. Let's hope. Had to run down to O'Reilly's and get some new lug nuts because I had nothing here. But yeah, 30 bucks later, let's get back to it. Alright guys, this thing looks absolutely insane. I don't know how much I can see, a little teaser. I'm going to attempt to get it out of the basement and everything. Probably going to take about 500 little tweaks and turns and pull forwards and reverses and stuff. I'll probably film it and show you all at the end of this video or something. But dude, it looks so daggum good. If this thing was taller, it would be literally perfect. It's so close in the front. So close, but it looks absolutely amazing. Wheels and tires will make a vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get it out of here, and we'll do the reveal. There she is, boys. So this thing, it looks so freaking good, but it also looks like a straight up turtle. It's so close up here in the front. This is completely stock 2-wheel drive 4Runner suspension. So it's close, but it does surprisingly turn more than I thought it would. I didn't even have to do any shenanigans getting it out of the basement. It makes all the body lines so much more exaggerated. Beefy. I mean, this thing is like, it's just a little beef nugget, dude. Look at that thing. And this is like the pearl white or whatever. I mean, just a ton of metallic on this thing. I'm not a huge pearl person myself because it tends to sometimes look dirty, thinking it's like a pure white and it's actually a pearl. I think I'm gonna back it in and take the steps off. Lauren wanted the steps off anyways, and I think it'll look a lot better if we did that while we have these wheels and tires on there rather than just doing it when it's stock. So I think I'm gonna back it in there, pull those steps off, and we'll pull it back out and see how it looks without those. I know it's gonna look a lot taller, probably more fitting. The steps are just, the vehicle is so short, the steps are useless, they just get in the way. So it's gonna look better without them. So let's back it in and pull those things off. Dude, how menacing does that look sitting in there? Back up. See the whole poke going on. Daggone, that thing look angry. That thing, dude. Have I fallen in love with 4Runners? Is this happening right now? Happy to report these are super easy to get off. They just have 6 bolts holding them up on each side. Take the bolts out, put them back on. They hold the side skirts on, so it looks a million times better. Let's go ahead and pull it back out. Y'all check it out. This thing looks so much better. Look at that. It looks so much taller. Oh my gosh. So much ground clearance, and I guess it's the 4-wheel drives that have the frame that hangs real low. You really can't hardly see anything unless you're way low or far off. So that is sick. It looks so much better. And now you can just hop in rather than having to use the step or dragging your foot up it, and it's just annoying. So let's go back. Oh my God. Dang, that boy beefy. Says, truly, this happened to me with a Trail Boss. I was not crazy about the new body style Chevrolets when they came out. And then I put these wheels on my father-in-law's Trail Boss and fell in love with the body style. And now look at me, I have a Trail Boss. So yeah, wheels and tires, they'll change your life, dude. God, it needs some tint. Some serious. But yeah, dude, this thing looks sick. I would take it out on the road because it does actually turn enough to where I could go down some streets. But it is currently the 3rd of July. I don't know when this will come out, probably a while from now, but there's traffic everywhere. You know, obviously everybody's headed to the river, going to do all their fun stuff. So a lot of traffic on the road, and I don't want to get in a bad position and have to turn it real sharp and potentially mess up Lauren's car, because that would be super bad, and she would not be splendid to come home to that issue. So yeah, but dude, I don't want to take them off. I just want to raise this thing up and leave them on there. But it already does not get great gas mods, so this would probably just butcher it. But in the future, when she's not having to drive, hopefully, an hour to work every day, one way, we're gonna do some cool stuff with this thing. Get it lifted up, sitting right, good set of wheels and tires. But yeah, I wanna just doing one more full walk around for y'all, because you might see it in one more video like this, but maybe not. Dude, it looks so freaking good. Yeah. So definitely comment down below, let me know. Dude, comment saying lift this thing. We get enough attention on this thing, who knows, we might do it. But if you're new here to the channel from 4runners, welcome. Feel free to subscribe, leave a like, comment something, say hey, I'm new. Do some more stuff to the 4runner, and we might just have to do it. So dude, oh my gosh, dude, it looks so freaking mean now. Look at that, dude. It looks like it's about to come swallow me up. Almost forgot, but here's for anyone that actually wanted to see how much you could turn with this. So I'm gonna try not to scrub much, just the tiniest bit. Just where are we at? Come on, careful, Patrick, careful. Right there, I think. Let's check. Let's investigate. So right about there, we could turn just a touch more before it rubs right there. Oh, dogs are on attack mode. See how we are in the front. Okay, so yeah, it rubbed on that bolt right there, passing by that. So you're gonna hit there, turning it yay much. Here's a little sketchy action for, oh, she ain't happy. Come on, big girl, we want a rolling video. There we go, there you go, good girl. Ignore the screaming noise, because it thinks it's, well, it knows it's got no driver, at least no key. It is so not happy. Oh, it is screaming. She's getting a little speed to her. I'm not gonna be like the SWAT kid that got ran over. I ain't gonna do that. It's not gonna happen. All right, here we go. Daggone. All right. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get ran over. Oh, bro, that thing is not happy.